In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Canva. Now this is very simple and quick. What you're going to do is go to the home page of your Canva and then press Apps. Then you scroll down here where you can see a dynamic QR code. Now if you don't see this or any other QR option down here, you simply type QR up here in the search menu, press enter, and then choose one of the QR codes. For this instance, I'm going to choose this basic QR code. Okay, you can see this pop-up window where you can press use an existing design or use a new design, but I want only a QR code on my sheet of paper, so I'm going to press use in new design. Now I'm going to do a custom size, which is going to be 1000 by 1000. Then you press create a new design. And now the first thing that's going to happen is going to ask you to put in a URL. Now I've copied a URL to canva.com earlier and I just paste it in. You can put whatever URL you want in here and it's going to redirect you to that URL when you scan the QR code. You can also customize it, use different colors or different margins, and then once you're done, just press generate code and the code will be generated. Now you can resize it as you wish, place it in the middle or in the corner, wherever you want to, and then you simply press share, download as PNG, and then download your QR code, wait for it to download, and that's it. I've got it here.